be gone forever. Okay. Very old. Okay.
The Alaskan moose is a wonderful creature. The first time you get close,
Oh, it's a mating
all
call.
you
We'll
can
kill
think
him
about
while
is
they're.
how big it is. A fully grown moose can eat up to 60 pounds of plant matter in a day.
Let's ruin the
might be
special time.
surprised Just pray it's not running at you. Welcome to Yukon Valley's wetlands. The last time I brought both of my daughters here to spot birds, they told me that all the bird spotting in the world
I'll give them a nice
was
surprise.
smell. Turned out that a bear had left a rotting moose carcass in the summer sun. I decided to
Where is
spot
he?
birds somewhere else, just in case the bear came back for seconds.
Where's the mating? Getting my binoculars out for it. Where are you guys?
The flats are one of our most biodiverse.
I heard the call.
I can't risk introducing anything dangerous into the water or the food chain. Can you take some samples from the water beside the forest first? We sprayed a section of the forest western edge last month.
Oh.
So I want to know if anything has changed.
Oh, there's the call. Don't worry, little guy. You're calling for somebody else to come over. Don't worry, I got my binoculars out for the special occasion. Alright, let the pro score. I'm just, you know, I'm gonna make sure he'll get it, you know? Alright, don't worry. I'll watch from an adequate distance away. Look, we need to populate. It's just like pandas, okay? I'm trying to make sure our nature reserve does not run out of foxes. Just creeping up very slowly. You can't run. You can't. Come on. He's gotta be close, right? Where is he? I'm slowly heading over. I know you're still trying to find me. Okay. Let's walk a little closer. Can't be that bad.
Watch your footing at the water's edge. It can be easy to slip and fall in. Just
God,
fill
where
one of
is
the
he?
containers you have with water.
You see any of them? Oh, he's 110. Oh, he traveled further away. He hasn't found him yet. He hasn't found one yet. He's still looking. Someone please swipe. Was it right or left? Please, someone answer his call. He's desperate. Someone match him. Match his profile. Swipe right. He's desperate. He's been calling for 20 years. You up? He's like, you up? You up? Anyone? Where the fuck is he? Come on, call again. I don't see any of them. Come on. I brought these binoculars for nothing. No! Where did he go? Where did he even flee to? Oh my god, he ran. No, now I bought these binoculars for nothing.